What's up guys? We are TaiWonTech, international import-exporter and marketer. We are introducing products that we find interesting through comparison videos to help watchers to experience before purchasing and also to connect with international buyers and sellers who are willing to distribute introduced products or their own products through us. I hope you enjoy our video, and please fill us in with your comments and request on what you would like to see next on our channel for our reference as well. Eco umbrella dryers became popular since it is officially banned in Korea to use plastic bag dispenser for any public facilities such as subway stations, city halls, and government buildings starting 2018 due to excessive amount of plastic disposal. I believe this applies to any other countries who are currently using plastic bag dispensers. It was actually reported that over 100 million plastic bags are used and wasted every year for umbrella just for Korea, which will be mostly buried or burned. I believe this movement switching to eco umbrella dryer from plastic bag dispenser will be a huge benefit environmentally and also cost saving for users. We will now review specification and performance of eco umbrella dryers distributed in Korea on this video. We gave A for sample C and A because sample C includes the mat, squeezer, and banner together with the product with almost the same price range with others, and sample A is only 1/3 of the price comparing to others. Performance is based on the test result we experienced. You can tell from the result that products with microfiber material seem to do the job better than others. Design-wise, we thought sample C was more complete than others, taking in consideration for pad stopper, locks on all 4 quiet wheels, internal water storage with drain valve on the bottom, and look of the unit. Cleaning and drying were a little tough to compare because they all had different ways, but I had to give sample A, which really do not require cleaning other than wiping the pad and drying if necessary. All the other products had fabrics that needed to be dried after use, which we rated B, but we gave C for sample D because it took bit more time and efforts to put the pad back on neatly comparing to others. Supervision really has something to do with getting a worker involved during the usage, and we thought largest storage would require workers to check the storage and condition of the unit lesser times than others. I noticed the separate water pane is just not a good suit because it can be kicked out of the place or get lost. Sturdiness of unit itself and the pads were also evaluated. Disposal plastic bags for umbrella in near future with developments of these eco umbrella dryers. As I mentioned earlier, there was a big movement of Korean government and citizens participating in this campaign to use eco umbrella dryer for replacement of plastic dispenser, and there will be no time until other countries would have the same movement, especially with current issues with using too much plastics which exceeding amount of disposal even with recycling. I hope this video was bit of help for you to experience eco umbrella dryers on current market and became chance to evaluate on your own. If you liked our video, please subscribe, and also contact us at TaiWon@taiwontech.com for further details if you are interested in purchasing or distributing in your location.